Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the order property to rearrange items. The order property is used to tell CSS the order of how flex items appear in flex container. By default, items will appear in the same order they come in the source HTML. The property takes number as values and negative number can be used. So the challenge, add the CSS property order to both box 1 and 2. Box 2 give box 1 value of 2 and give box 2 value of 1. So the places will be switched. In place of blue it will be red, and in place of red it will be blue. So in case of order, and order will be box 1 it will 2, and in case of border box 2 it will be order 1. So it will come first red and then it will be blue. So the box switch places because we gave the order 1 to box 2 and order 2 to box 1. In Let's see the test cases. The box 1 element should have the order property set to value of 2, order of 2, and the box 2 element should have the order property set to value of 1. So that's there. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.